Hi everybody, I'm Bradley Dosch. I'm an energy developer with Forecast Energy. We're here at the Maltby Food Bank today, where we have 119 Silfab 440 QD modules for a total of 52 kilowatt system. This system should produce 56 megawatt hours every year and save the food bank $6,000 annually, which will give the food bank more money to feed the community rather than pay for energy. The Maltby Food Bank serves 130 families every week and is volunteer owned and operated. We think that in today's climate, giving food directly to the people is so powerful, and in that same vein, we think it's super important to give food to the people no matter income or any qualifying factor. If people need or want food, they have a safe place to come and get that. And in the same vein, electricity, we don't want to have them renting electricity every month. We want people-owned, community-owned energy systems. And so this is what this is. We're giving the power back to the people, pun intended, and we think that's just super powerful for so many different reasons. We chose Silfab because we love their product. We love how it's locally manufactured and operated right here up north in Burlington, Washington. We've been to the facility, we know all the people, and we have a really good working relationship. The power quality is really good, the price per watt, the wattage per square foot is all really high, so we love Silfab and we're excited to continue using them. This project was 100% grant funded through the Washington State University Community Solar Expansion Program, which we're super grateful for, to have money available to put towards nonprofits, food banks, community-owned coalitions like this one. People usually think solar is only reserved for people who have lots of money, disposable income, who can pay for it. We think it's super important, again, to give that power to the people. We're super grateful to Phil Liu and Chelsea Edgecombe through the WSU CSEP, and we hope to do many more projects with them.